Hello my dear friends, welcome to Rinali Multi-Channel Vlog. Lijjat Papad was started in 1960 by 7 women in Mumbai. It is one of the most famous papad brands in India and an example of women's empowerment. It provides employment of thousands of women due to its excellent taste and quality. It is a very popular not only in India but also abroad. Lijjat Papad has a very special and aromatic taste and its flavor is extremely tasty. If you are wondering how to make the best and crispiest papad at home, just like the one from the market. If you are wondering how to make the best and crispiest papad at home, just like the ones from the market, then the answer is simple. With the right ingredients, a little attention, and the proper method, you can easily prepare papads at home with the same quality and texture as the ones from the market. So what are you waiting for? Today I am here to share the simplest recipe with you. Lijjat papad is made up with urad dal. I will use a 1 cup of urad dal to make papads, and from this we can make at least 40 to 50 papads. Grind the urad dal in a mixer to make a powder. Now sieve it through a fine siever. Add half a glass of water, half a tablespoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of papad khar and mix well. Boil the water mixture and when it is hot set it is aside to cool. While the water is cooling, let's prepare the masala. Take 2 tablespoons of whole black pepper and grind it coarsely. Remove the black part of the black pepper and discard it. If you use the black part, all the peppers will turn black. Only the white portion should be added to the peppers. Take the ground flour in a vessel. Add black pepper, half a tablespoon of asofotida and half tablespoon of baking soda. Mix everything well. Gradually add water to knead a stiff and smooth dough. Take 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil and knead the dough to make it soft. Divide the dough into small portions and make smooth balls. For the remaining dough, place it in a plastic bag as the dough can dry out quickly. Place the dough balls on a clean surface and roll them out into the thin papads with a rolling pin. Make sure the papads are evenly thin. Place the peppers on a clean cloth or plastic sheet and let them dry in the sun for 4 to 5 hours or until they are completely dry. Once the peppers are ready and dried, you can store them in an airtight jar for up to 3 months. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipe. If you loved this Lijjat Papad recipe, make sure to like the video. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to comment below. Jazakallah khair and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.